Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well in such tough times. My name is Kajal Rathore from Rathore Builder Designer and Construction and currently residing in Shimla. I'm a proud daughter, sibling of two and mother of a pet dog. I'm also a passionate painter, a dancer, meditator and yoga instructor. I started a construction company on my own and now we have added interior design to our portfolio. We help people to build their dream home. Our services ranging from all type of construction, renovation, interior, exterior designing. We have a highly passionate team of contractors, architects, workers and interior designers. Now let me tell you how we work. We provide one-step solution to all the people who wants to build their dream home. Our services starts with consulting, visiting the site and then moving ahead with the best solution according to the requirement of the client. We do end-to-end construction which include soil testing, soil cutting, building design, structure design, building construction, interior, exterior and renovation. We design and construct bungalows, commercial properties, residential buildings and apartments. We put our 100% to bring best to our client. To conclude all of it, I would say that our team has potential to build and to face any challenge. This is Kajal Rathore signing off and looking forward to work with you. Thank you.
Hi everyone, it's nice to meet you all. This side Nikita Gill, your well-wisher, a bubbly and cheerful girl. My roots are from Punjab but born and brought up in Shimla, the Queen of Hills. I am working as a managing head at Rathore Builder Designer and Construction. I am going through the different levels of management view in the construction as how the different parts of constructions are managed. Let's get started so that you have an idea how Rathore Builders provide their services. Firstly, our connection with the clients are very important as it gives us a strong bond with them and we feel related to them. Secondly, we provide you with the highly professional site supervisors and project managers who have been appointed for the site management specifically. Therefore, for each site, different reports and PPTs are prepared according to the client requirements as well as the working schedules. Each report and PPTs are always helpful to the client so that they have the clarification about their own sites as well as the working schedules. The regular updates are always made by the site supervisor towards the client and towards us at the office place with regard to the completion of work or what the next step by step. Therefore, each working part has been allotted a specific time period for its completion as the working process can be made easy and comfortable. Therefore, time to time invoices and emails are also created as there should be a clean line between us and clients with regard to the payment schedules as well as the working schedules. Hope you like the working of Rathore Builders and Designers and we are going to make a huge family together. Thank you and be safe.
Hello guys, hope you are doing well. I am Pooja Kannal from Shimla, a beautiful bride to a sporting husband, mother of a cute son. I am a very talkative person. I completed my education as a bride student. Now I am working as marketing head with Rathore Builder Designer and Construction. Our company who deals with civil work, renovation, interior and exterior designing. We provide fine solution of genuine requirements of our clients. Our company is having vast experience in this field with our total projects completed till now and number of projects being under construction. Focus of the company is provide quality work at very genuine price. We have a set of team to including designing and providing consultation to our clients. We have value your time, money and provide our expertise with intent and content. Thank you for watching us. Please do follow us and subscribe to this channel. Like and share. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you.
Hey, I'm Achal Thakur and I'm working as a designer and color theme expert with this company. For your information, we work in 25 types of the interior design style and on their color themes. As you all know, color plays a really important role in interior design. For that, we have to understand about the color psychology. That means we have to understand the relationship between our emotions and the color. कलर हमारे मूड को बहुत तरीके से इम्पैक्ट करता है. Have you ever noticed कि आप बहुत ही काम और रिलैक्स फील करते हो जब भी आप किसी न्यूट्रल या लाइट कलर थीम के स्पेस में होते हो, और इसी तरीके से आप बहुत ही एनर्जाइज और जॉयफुल फील करते हो जब आप किसी कलरफुल या वाइब्रेंट स्पेस में होते हो. So we work on that. Because we all know most of the people did not understand the concept of color psychology, and they did not even know the actual impact that color plays to their life. तो इसीलिए जिस स्पेस में हम रह रहे हैं तो स्पेस का पॉजिटिव होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Apart from this, we work on Vastu Shastra. Vastu simply means the placement of the things and the entry to a particular space. Vastu plays the same role as color plays to create a space or to design a space. You know, there is power attached to every space you walk in, but only few of us can make a note of it. Basically, the Vastu Shastra based on the Vedic idea, where the harmony within and without comes with the observation of the proper relationship with every space one inhabits. So, as you got to know, we work on design, we work on color themes and Vastu Shastra with as per the particular style type and provide our best services to our clients. So please give a thumbs up to the video and subscribe and share to the channel.